Hey fellow explorers, we're at the Diwali Festival in Irvine, California, and in this video we're going to show you around this great Indian cultural experience, and the Curious Princess, she's in her Indian finest. You ready to go, Princess?
Yes! Let's go now! Come on, what are you waiting for? Let's go!
Okay, we're going to turn the camera around so you can see what we can see. There's a big stage in the back with entertainment, and it looks like we got like a dance-off here or something like that. I mean, take a look at that. Everybody is in there. Indian finest, having a great time. I always love dance circles. All right, so in addition to the entertainment, we've got lots of different vendors, we've got products, we've got goods, so we'll show you around here on the corner. We've got a dance group where you can learn Indian and Bollywood dancing. And actually, if this attire looks familiar, it's because the Curious Princess, our 5-year-old daughter, she was doing Bollywood dancing from this academy earlier this year. All right, now this is in Irvine's great park, and I love the juxtaposition right here with this balloon. It is October, and every year they have this big balloon. Well, the balloon's here all the time, but every year they make it have a jack-o'-lantern face because Halloween is coming up at the end of this month. All right, some of the vendors that we've got going on over here. We've got one of our Vastra collections with a Z. What do we got over here at the collections? We've got lots of, looks like Indian dresses. Yellow, definitely my color back this way. So you can get your traditional garb at this vendor. Beautiful, colorful. All right, coming out this way, we've got some colorful flowers, some jewelry. There is lots of jewelry here, and lots of banners that say Happy Diwali. We got the Coldwell Banker Realtor you can trust. This stall is quite busy. We got going on in here. More traditional Indian dress and jewelry. I think that's the theme that I'm seeing is dress and jewelry. Okay, what's in the next stall? At the Cultural Imprints Company. Back over this way. Ooh, we've got some cool lamps back in here. These are neat, and looks like maybe some handmade beanies along with those lamps. Some silver. Light your candles there. All right, that's the end of that song on the stage. We'll see what's coming up next. A lot of realtors, exhibiting here and celebrating. We've got more flowers, lots of decorative flowers like sashes and belts.
Next time, be well prepared. Next time we have for you.
And here we've got henna tattoos. And these are not just, the cheap ones you see at the beach, but like really elaborate henna tattoos here. The henna tattoos range from like $15 to about $50, so not cheap, but I've seen them working on it just like artists next door. We've got gold. You can buy your gold and jewelry the smart way, digitally. I'm not really sure how you buy digital jewelry, but I'm sure there's a way. More gold jewelry here on the side. Aloha math, reading, and writing, because we all know that it's important to know your math, reading, and writing. And more sparkly gold jewelry here on the corner. Okay, what's in the center? Did I mention there's a lot of realtors here? There are a lot of realtors here. We've got another real estate group, and we've got the Orange County Power Authority to learn about clean power. The Orange County Academy of Arts and Sciences that has unsharpened pencils. It's always a joke I have about unsharpened pencils at events, because I always feel like you want to keep your pencils sharp. Yeah, they're not sharpened when you get them. Oh, the balloon's going down now. You see the jack-o'-lantern balloon that goes down. So you can go in the balloon here in the Great Park. It's free to go in that balloon, and it goes up, and it has a great view of the surrounding areas in Irvine. By the way, this event is free every year too. This was on October 4th, 2025, but definitely look at it next year to come and enjoy. We've got some ladies here taking a group photo. Let's take a look at some of these vendors over this way on the corner, and then we'll make it over to the food vendors, because I'd say the food vendors are probably the most popular booths here. Chris, why are you not showing me those? Because they're at the front. So when I get by the stage, it gets hard to hear. Okay, in the corner here, we've got Tulsi Paneer for Indian cheese, and I sampled some of that cheese earlier. It was actually quite tasty. But boy, this vendor with the Instagram up there, they're popular. Look, there's so many people, you can't even get up to the table. There's so many people checking that one out. By the way, did I mention there were a lot of realtors? So many realtors. Apparently the real estate market in Orange County must be hot. Okay. Let's make our way up to the food. In addition to realtors, we got some financial companies. We've got you covered with commercial loans. What do we got over here? This looks like more henna tattoos. Here, the henna tattoo artist actually has a light on her forehead so she can see. Maybe get your hand done up like this. $35 right there. Silver and gold jewelry. Oh, we got drums at the Montessori Preschool and Tutoring. Montessori Preschool, Irvine and Lake Forest. I don't know what their name is, though. We've got Baskin Robbins, because nothing says Diwali more to me than Baskin Robbins ice cream. Oh, how much is a single scoop? $8. Here we've got some custom cakes, cute little cakes and desserts. All right.
They're awesome.
Are they awesome?
Yes,
I believe you.
They're great.
All right. I'll have to try them a little later.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much. I feel like a very nice gentleman there. I feel like that's kind of like a carny, you know, like you go like, you definitely got to try them out. All right. We've got we've got some sugarcane juice over here. Fresh squeezed sugarcane juice for $6. Look at that. They've got the sugarcane back here, and then they're pressing the sugarcane in the press right over there. So the sugarcane juice stall looked really interesting, particularly when I saw that it was lime ginger sugarcane juice. They also make this thing called pan. We saw them making it fresh. These were $5 each. They put some dates and some coconut in a leaf. We'll try that in a moment. And the kulfi, that's a popsicle. They had a few different flavors. Princess, what flavor you got?
Mango.
And how is it? Good, mango flavor. All right, let's go ahead and try the lime ginger sugarcane juice. That's a very unique taste. I've never had sugarcane juice with lime and ginger. I like it because I like both of those things. All right, the pan, you're supposed to just eat the whole thing in one bite, but OC Girl, who's running the camera, she wants to taste it too, so I'm gonna eat half of it, and I've never had this before. It's a leaf, but you're supposed to eat the leaf. Can you believe that? Yeah, you know, all right, here we go.
How could you eat leaves?
Wow. Wow.
Can I try?
Wow. You can try.
It goes this way. That's what a leaf tastes like.
Wow. Honestly, I don't even know how to describe that because it's like so many different flavors all at the same time, other than wow. All right, back to our walking tour of the rest of the festival. And here, we're making dosas right here. These like, they look like big tortillas, big burritos, but they're fluffy. They're not like as full as burritos, but you can see they're grilling them back up here. Here, we'll take a look at this. You can see them putting that on the grill as they kind of crisp up a little bit. There's some fillings in it. They kind of like twirl it around, and there you go, dosa. I enjoy dosas. Dosas are something that are kind of like, I wouldn't say they're hard to find in Orange County, but I would say they're not super common, is what I would say.
I know my dad's somewhere there.
We've got tangy chef. What's the tangy part of the chef? Can't see. Can't get to the front. This is so busy over here. Line for the food is long. Bring your appetite and bring your patience. Over here, we've got RK Indian food. We've got, looks like some mango lassi, some chai, samosas. Okay, let's go around this line so we can get to the other ones. It's hard to get in there. There are so many people. Namaste Indian flavors. The line is like 30 people deep at this stall. Okay, let's see. I think I can get in between them over here to show you a little bit more of the food this way. Okay. There we go. We've got some maybe some lentils back over there. Over here we've got some, looks like some samosas. Might even be easier just to see these from the back. Like, Chris, you should show me from the front, but I feel like from the back shows you what's going on. Next to it is a curry pizza house where they sell Indian-style pizzas, and boy, they've got lots of pizza boxes back here. They have a couple brick and mortar locations in Orange County and LA. Very interesting pizzas. And then over this way, you can see a number of vendors out here. They just bring the fridge. They bring the whole kitchen. They bring the fridge. They bring the cooking instruments. At Masala Craft over here, they also, that's a big walk. Why? Because they have Chinese noodles. So that is pretty interesting too. And then this brings us right up to the stage at the front where you can eat all your food while you enjoy the entertainment. Well, our fellow explorers, if you're watching this, you probably missed this festival this year, but put it on your calendar for 2026. Princess, what did you think of Diwali?
Ooh.
Ooh. Well, all right, as usual, we won't say goodbye because we'll see you in the next video.
Wait, what?